Welcome to this lecture. You have been traveling for a while now, let's assume. Maybe you had some flights, buses, car, and you're carrying baggage and you're tired and all you want to do is just check into your hotel room. The last thing you want is to have a huge language barrier. So this lecture is made especially to help you with the communication in the hotel lobby and the surroundings. So we are going to start by going over a few vocabulary words, and then I will help you with how to check in how to check in at a hotel where they only speak French or maybe very little English. Should I redo that? Or?
No, just go from or very little English.
Okay. Or maybe very little English. So just to enhance your vocabulary a bit, I have put 5 words right here. The first one is escalier. This means stairs, okay? Escalier. The second one is ascenseur. This is an elevator. Ascenseur. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 syllables. Escalier. The second word, ascenseur. 3 syllables. Ascenseur. So we have stairs, elevator. The third word is chambre. Chambre. 2 syllables. Okay, this would be a room. Carte. Carte. This is a map. Carte. Centre-ville. Okay? Centre-ville. Okay? Centre-ville. This is downtown. Okay? The main part of the city. So these are words that I could see you needing to use or wanting to use when communicating with someone in the front desk or just someone at the hotel. I feel like it could be very beneficial. So I'd like to go through them one more time. Escalier, which means stairs. Ascenseur, which means elevator. Chambre, room. Carte, a map. Centre-ville, downtown. Now, I am going to say a word in English, and I want you to say the word in French. This is going to be some practice for you. I will wait a few seconds until saying the word back to you in French. So, elevator. How would you say elevator in French? Ascenseur. Great. Now, how would you say map? How would you say map in French? Carte. Carte. Good. Third word. How would you say stairs? Stairs. Escalier. Escalier. Great. How would you say downtown? Downtown. Centre-ville. Centre-ville. Great. Finally, how would you say room? Room. Chambre. Chambre. Okay? Great job. Now, you will see in that booklet that you will find something similar to this. Okay? With other words as well. And just to practice, it's a little worksheet. You will simply add a line from the word in English to the correct word, the word that has the same meaning in French. For example, stairs. Where would I put stairs? Escalier. So I draw a line. Room. How do you say room in French? Cameraman, how do you say room in French?
Chambre.
Chambre. Great job. Right here. Okay? And you will see that they can crisscross as well. But anyhow, that's just an activity that you will find in that workbook. And I do encourage you to go ahead and practice.